Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your brand kit into WordPress Elementor step by step clearly. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Elementor settings. Click on the Settings tab. Choose the General section. Locate the Brand Kit option. Click on Add New Brand Kit. Enter a name for your brand kit. Upload your logo by clicking Upload Logo. Select your logo file from your computer. Adjust the logo settings as needed. Pick your primary brand color. Select your secondary brand color. Input your accent color. Define fonts for headings and body text. Choose a font from the available list for headings. Select a different font for body text. Adjust the typography settings like size and weight. Once all details are added, click Save Changes. Go back to the Elementor dashboard. Navigate to a page or post where you want to use the brand kit. Open the Elementor editor. On the left panel, click on Site Settings. Select Global Settings. Here, you'll find the brand kit you just created. Apply the brand colors and fonts to the page as needed. Preview your changes to see how they look. If satisfied, click the Update button to save your work. Congratulations, your brand kit is now transferred into WordPress Elementor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.